Hello there, last video of the week, and this is a super quick one. This is the task cards. You are going to fill this out with me, and we are going to do one or two of these together, and then I'm going to let you finish. Okay, everything's on LMS. Unfortunately, the task cards are sideways on LMS, but you'll be okay. So let's review what we did on the last video. Domain is the set of all X values. Range is the set of all Y values. And if we're talking about an ordered pair, X would be the 4, Y would be the -3, okay? Given a continuous graph, you're going to scan the graph left to right for domain because that is the x-axis, okay? And for the range, you are going to go up and down because that is the y-axis. You know this to be a function. A relation must not repeat any. Think about what we said yesterday or the last video, or the x values. When given a graph, remember the test I gave you? Okay, the vertical line test. Okay, so I'll let you write that down, and we will do 1 and 2 together, and I'll let you go. Okay, so go to LMS here, and you're going to look for the task cards. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. So here's number 1. Okay, answer the following questions given the ordered pairs below. Okay, so we'll look at these 4 points. Okay, we're not graphing. I'm going to label my x and y. X, y, x, y, x, y. Okay, what is the domain? So the domain is all the x values. So we're going to say -5, -3, 0, and 2. Okay, so I'm going to take these numbers and I'm going to go to my paper and I'm going to write -5, -3, 0, and 2. Remember, these are a set of numbers, so we're doing our cute little squiggly lines. Okay, so this was the domain. B, it's asking for the range. So the domain is the x values. The range is going to be the y. So let's go back here. What is the range? 0, 2, 4, and -7. Okay, so let's go to our answer sheet, and we're going to do a set again, and we're going to say 0, 2, 4, -7. Okay, so C is asking, okay, let me go back. Is this relation a function? So we're going to look at the x values only. All right, so do any of them repeat? -5, -3, 0, and 2. No repeats, so this is a function. Yes. Okay. Give you a second to catch up. I'm actually going to do 3 with you and not 2 because 3 is in a table. So we will scoot up, and A is asking for domain, B is range, and then yes or no. Okay, so let's look at the domain. I'm at number 3. Go to your task cards. So this is a table of ordered pairs. Here's our x's. Here's our y's. So domain is all of these numbers. Pretty simple, right? I like the tables. The range is right there. So let's go to A. We're doing a set, -2, 0, 4, and 8. And the range is, what do you notice about the range? They're all 1. So all we're going to say is 1. You only need to write a number once. All right, so is this a function? So let's go back. Do any of our x values repeat? They don't repeat. I don't see any x written more than once. So this is a function. Yes. Okay, so your assignment now is to finish the rest of the task cards, go all the way to 20, and be prepared for me to do a notes check on any of the notes that we've done this week, just so I can see who's been following directions. I hope everything has gone well, and I will see you when I get back.